Cell. Like Cookie and Sam's show, Meow.
Cells are called the basic functional and structural unit of life. Cells are also called the building block of a body as millions of cells combine together to form a body. Only in the case of multicellular organisms. On the basis of organisms, the cells are further divided into two groups. Multicellular, and other is unicellular.
Multicellular. The organisms which are composed or made up of multiple cells are called multicellular. The concept of division of labor happens in the case of multicellular organisms. For example, humans, cats, cows, dogs, fishes, some fungi, etc.
Unicellular. The organisms which are composed or made up of a single cell are called unicellular. The concept of division of labor is not seen in the case of unicellular, such as bacteria, some other fungi, microorganisms, etc. are some types of unicellular organisms.
You might be wondering, what is the division of labor? The process by which different groups of cells do different work in organisms. The discovery of cells. Cell was discovered by a British scientist, Robert Hooke, in 1665. He observed cells in a cork slice under his self-designed microscope and noticed honeycomb-like compartments. He coined them as cells. The term cell was derived from the Latin word cellula, which means a hollow space. Some other people related to the discovery of cell are Leeuwen Hoek, who discovered living cells from pond water in 1674. Purkinje, who defined the term protoplasm in 1839. Robert Brown, who found the nucleus in 1831. Schleiden and Schwann were the one who proposed a cell theory. The cell theory was further modified or explained by Virchow. We will study cell theory in the other videos in more detail. There are two types of organisms, animals and plants. Both of them do not have the same types of cells. The cells of animals are flexible, whereas the cells of plants are rigid. Actually, the cells are not flexible or rigid, but the components of cells are rigid or flexible. In this case we are talking about cell wall and plasma membrane. The cell wall are found in the cells of plants, they are rigid in nature, whereas the plasma membrane are found in the cells of animal, which are flexible in nature. Cell wall and plasma membrane are the outermost covering of plant and animal cell respectively. Like these both components, there are many components present in the cell. In part 2 we will study about the organelles of the cell. Please stay tuned for the next part. If you like this video and want more, please comment down and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.